When I was a nuclear power electrician, we didn't play around with technical specs. Everything had to be precise or things got expensive fast. Now that I'm in the HVAC world, I bring that same mindset to your home comfort. Today, we're looking at a heavy hitter matchup, the CNH MIA NG series versus the MRCOOL DIY 5th generation. Both of these are single-zone ductless heat pumps designed to handle your cooling and heating needs without a drop of sweat. Looking at the build, CNH utilizes a coated coil for corrosion resistance, which is a field-tested win for durability. MRCOOL matches this with their own GoldFin technology to keep the elements from eating your condenser. CNH is manufactured in China and built with a rugged contractor-grade chassis. MRCOOL also hails from China, but they've engineered their 5th gen hardware with the DIYer in mind. They include signature Quick Connect pre-charged lines and the new DIY Pro armored cable to protect the electrical against weather and yard work. On the efficiency side, the CNH MIA NG series pulls a 21.5 SEER 2 rating. Because it uses a variable speed inverter compressor, it eliminates that massive inrush current you get with old school single stage units. It ramps up slowly, saving your panel from those heavy surges. The MRCOOL DIY 5th gen is the overachiever here, pushing a massive 23.5 SEER R2. That higher efficiency means even lower amp draws during peak operation, which is a major win for your monthly utility bill and overall system longevity. Let's talk money. For the equipment alone, you're looking at around $850 for a CNH MIA NG 9000 BTU outdoor condenser. However, since it is a dealer-required unit, a professional installation will typically land you in the $3,500 to $5,000 range. MRCOOL is a different beast with the 5th gen equipment kit retailing for about $1,150 for a 12K unit. Since you can install it yourself, your installed price is basically just that equipment cost plus a few hundred for electrical supplies. You're saving thousands of dollars right out of the gate. Before we crown a winner, remember that no matter which unit you pick, you've got to keep those filters clean. Give those indoor filters a wash every 30 days to keep the airflow high and the static pressure low. In the warranty battle, CNH offers 10 years on the compressor, 10 years on parts, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty, provided a licensed pro does the startup. MRCOOL matches the 7-year compressor and 5-year parts base warranty, but they offer a limited lifetime compressor warranty if you register it. That is a massive safety net for a homeowner taking the reins. The verdict? The MRCOOL DIY 5th generation is the winner for your bottom line. You get a superior 23.5 SEER 2 efficiency, the limited lifetime compressor warranty, and you pocket the $3,000 you would have spent on labor. That's more money in your bank and a unit that pays for itself faster through lower power bills. Shop like a pro and check out the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com to see how these specs stack up against the rest of the market.